First exercise. Seated 8-leg crunch. Sit on the floor with your hands behind you for support. Lean back slightly and lift your legs off the floor. Move your legs in an 8 pattern, alternating crossing one leg over the other. Keep the motion controlled and continuous. Repeat. Next exercise. Cocoons. Lie on your back with your legs straight and arms extended behind your head. Simultaneously lift your arms and legs towards each other while tucking your knees into your chest. Wrap your arms around your knees briefly as if you are cocooning yourself. Slowly extend back to the starting position without letting your feet or hands touch the ground. Repeat. Next exercise. 90 degrees heel, touch legs raised. Lie on your back with your arms by your sides and raise your legs to a 90-degree angle. Flex your feet and keep your legs straight. Crunch up slightly and reach side to side, attempting to touch your heels with your fingertips. Alternate sides, ensuring you feel the contraction in your obliques with each reach. Repeat. Rest. Next exercise. Tuck crunch. Lie on your back with your hands behind your head and knees bent towards your chest. Contract your abs to lift your upper back off the floor, bringing your elbows towards your knees. Pause at the top of the movement. Slowly lower back down to the starting position. Repeat. Next exercise. Lying crunch, straight legs. Lie on your back with your legs extended straight up towards the ceiling and your hands behind your head. Contract your abs to lift your shoulder blades off the floor, reaching towards your toes. Slowly lower back down to the starting position. Repeat. Next exercise. Plank. Start in a push-up position with your arms fully extended and hands directly under your shoulders. Engage your core, quads, and glutes to stabilize your body. Hold this position, keeping your body in a straight line for the desired amount of time. Avoid holding your breath. Breathe normally throughout the exercise. Rest. Next exercise. Alternate lying floor leg raise. Lie flat on your back with your legs extended and hands underneath your glutes for support. Raise one leg off the floor to a 90-degree angle, keeping it straight. Lower it back down slowly without touching the floor. Repeat with the other leg, alternating each time. Last exercise. Bicycle crunch. Lie flat on your back with your hands behind your head and knees bent. Lift your shoulders off the ground and bring your right elbow towards your left knee while extending the right leg. Switch sides by bringing your left elbow towards your right knee while extending the left leg. Continue alternating sides in a cycling motion for the desired number of repetitions.
Sets me